throughout the world. This whole week was celebrated as World Environment Week and today I am here to speak about the food. If I ask any one of you what environment is, your answer is surely going to be our surroundings and that is absolutely correct. But the main focus of World Environment Day is to preserve and conserve this earth. We see that the earth provides us with various resources which help us to fulfill our needs. But the biggest problem offers in the fact that we always want more than our needs. Doesn't belong to us. It is not our problem. We have to return it back in a good condition to our future generations who really can also fulfill their needs. We are polluting this earth in every manner. We are polluting the air, water and cutting trees. Now, if we try to create a positive future, we will surely get the desired results. So we should indeed try to conserve this earth so that we, as well as our coming generations, can live happily. It is a famous quote that the more you give, the more you receive. Same is the case here. If you will take good care of the environment, it will in turn care for you. Lastly, I would like to say that the word environment is a reminder of our shared responsibility to protect and restore our planet.